Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a professional weekly calendar view in Notion using a free template. If you've ever struggled to keep your week organized or want your Notion workspace to look polished and efficient, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a clean, customizable calendar setup, perfect for tracking your tasks, deadlines, and anything that matters to you. All right, let's jump straight in. To speed things up and make sure we end up with something that looks great, we're going to use Notion's built-in weekly calendar template. This is one of my favorite tricks because templates give us the visual structure right away, and everything's already professionally designed. Plus, you can customize it later to fit your unique workflow. So don't worry if you're new to Notion or just want to save some time. This method works whether you're starting from scratch or sprucing up your space. The first thing you want to do is look up at the very top left of your Notion window. You'll see a little drop-down arrow, usually right next to your page name. Click on that to reveal more options. It's easy to miss, but once you spot it, you'll see it's a gateway to a bunch of hidden features. Go ahead and give it a click. Now, from the drop-down, find the option that says Browse Templates. This is like entering Notion's treasure chest. There are templates for everything, but today, we want one dedicated to the weekly calendar. In the search bar, type in Weekly Calendar. Sometimes the results include a master database or other calendar layouts too. So take a moment to scan for the design that appeals most to you. If you're working on a team or collaborating, maybe choose a database-focused template. If it's just for personal use, the standard weekly calendar will serve you perfectly. Once you've found a template you like, select it and click Add. Now, Notion will instantly drop this beautifully formatted calendar into your workspace. You'll see columns for each day of the week and probably some demo events or tasks already listed. Take a moment to look it over. Notice how everything's lined up? This structure makes it so much easier to visualize your week ahead. The next step is personalization. Here's where you can start making this calendar your own. Go through and add your credentials. For example, if you want to track work projects, deadlines for school, or even your workouts, you can simply click into any cell and type in your event or task. Notion allows you to add creatives too. So if you're a designer or artist, you can link files, images, or inspiration directly on your calendar. For those who love color coding or particular icons, you can modify the template to highlight priorities or make certain entries stand out. You're not locked into the default style, so explore and tweak things as you go. Now, don't worry if customizing feels overwhelming at first. Take your time, experiment, and remember you can always undo or adjust anything later. The main goal here is to make a system that supports your productivity, whether that's for work, study, planning family activities, or tracking habits. And that's really it. Using the weekly calendar template is the fastest way to set up a clean, flexible, and professional-looking schedule in Notion. If you want to take it further, try linking this calendar database to other pages, or integrating reminders to keep you on track throughout the week. I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and simple. If you found it helpful, be sure to give this video a like, and if you have any questions or ideas for your calendar setup, drop a comment below. I love seeing your unique Notion layouts. Don't forget to subscribe for more actionable tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and happy planning!